Picture this. Trucks so massive their wheels are taller than your living room ceiling, engines pumping out more horsepower than a fleet of supercars, and payloads measured not in tons, but in hundreds of tons. These aren't your average rigs. They're the kings of mining and industry. Today we're counting down the 5 strongest trucks in the world, each one packing well over 1,000 horsepower. BelAZ 75710. At first, we have a truck so big it makes normal 18-wheelers look like toys on the floor of a toddler's playroom. The BelAZ 75710 is not just a truck, it is the largest mining dump truck in the world, and it comes out of Belarus like a heavyweight boxer stepping into the ring. This beast is powered by not one but 2 diesel engines, each a 16-cylinder MTU V16 that pumps out around 2,300 horsepower. Do the math and you are looking at a staggering 4,600 horsepower total. That's more power than 4 Bugatti Chiron strapped together, and yet it spends its life crawling around at speeds that would make a moped laugh. Why? Because when you're carrying 450 metric tons of rock, speed is the last thing you need. The BelAZ 75710 is so massive that climbing into the cab feels like boarding a small apartment building. Drivers talk about needing staircases just to get into the cabin, and when you finally sit down, the steering wheel looks like something off a ship. Out on a mining site, this truck rules like a king. Smaller vehicles actually need to give way or risk getting flattened without the BelAZ even noticing. What's funny is that despite its raw strength, the BelAZ is kinda gentle. It is so heavy and stable that rough terrain doesn't bother it at all. In fact, operators say driving it feels calmer than taking your family SUV down a bumpy dirt road. It is slow, steady, and almost polite in its movements. Of course, when a machine can shift mountains in a single trip, it doesn't really need to show off with speed. The BelAZ 75710 proves that sometimes strength isn't loud or flashy, it's just impossibly, absurdly powerful. And that's just the start. The next trucks roar with 20 cylinders and carry loads that make bulldozers look like toys. Trust me, you'll want to see what's waiting at number 5, and make sure to subscribe while you're at it. Caterpillar 797F. Next, we have the Caterpillar 797F, a truck so iconic in the mining world that it might as well have its own fan club. If the BelAZ 75710 is the world's heavyweight champ, then the 797F is the undefeated contender that everyone respects. Built in the United States, this ultra-class haul truck is the backbone of mining fleets from Canada to Australia. And for good reason, it delivers a staggering 4,000 gross horsepower from its monstrous Cat C 175-20, a 20-cylinder diesel engine that sounds like thunder when it's working at full tilt. Even after losses through the drivetrain, you're still looking at around 3,793 usable horsepower. What does that mean in real life? Well, the 797F can haul around 400 short tons of material in one go. That's basically an entire football field's worth of dirt piled into the back of a single truck. And it does it all day, every day, without breaking a sweat. Climbing into the 797 degrees Fahrenheit is a full workout. Miners joke that you don't just get into the cab, you ascend it like Everest. Once you're inside, the seat feels less like a driver's chair and more like a throne, perched high above the ground where bulldozers look like ants. Despite its massive size, the 797F isn't clumsy. Caterpillar engineered it to handle rough mining roads with surprising grace. Think of it as a linebacker who can also dance ballet. You can't help but laugh at the fact that most people's cars would literally fit inside one of its wheels. And speaking of those wheels, they're about 13 feet tall, which means if you stand next to one, you look like a kid trying on your dad's shoes. The Caterpillar 797F isn't just a truck, it's a rolling monument to horsepower, torque, and human engineering. Komatsu 980E-5. Moving on, let's talk about the Komatsu 980E-5, Japan's answer to the American mining giants. If Caterpillar and BelAZ are the heavyweights from the west, Komatsu steps in from the east with a truck that's every bit as intimidating. This beast runs a diesel-electric setup, where a gigantic diesel engine feeds power into generators that drive electric traction motors. Don't let the word electric fool you. This thing is all about raw diesel muscle. Its engine alone produces between 3,500 and 3,800 horsepower, more than enough to send mountains of ore on their way. The 980E-5 has a payload rating of about 400 short tons, putting it right in the same league as the Caterpillar 797F. It's also one of the most reliable haulers in Komatsu's lineup, which explains why mining companies around the world keep fleets of them working non-stop. You don't build trucks like this for weekend joyrides. You build them to move the earth literally. Standing next to the Komatsu is a humbling experience. Its tires tower over you, and the ladder to the cab feels like something off a fire truck. Once inside, operators say the truck surprises you. Despite its colossal size, it handles with smoothness, almost like a city bus. If your city bus happened to weigh more than 1.4 million pounds fully loaded. There's a kind of quiet humor in seeing this machine trundle along at just 40 miles per hour. With nearly 4,000 horsepower at its disposal, it could technically outrun some classic cars, but instead it's content to lumber uphill with a mountain strapped to its back. That's the beauty of the Komatsu 980E-5. It doesn't need to prove it's fast. Its job is to prove it's unstoppable. Liebherr T282C up next, we have the Liebherr T282C, the German-built giant that made headlines when it first rolled out as one of the most powerful mining trucks on the planet. Germany is known for precision engineering cars, trains, even kitchen appliances. But with the T282C, they turned that obsessive design philosophy into a monster that casually produces 3,650 horsepower from a massive diesel engine driving electric traction motors. This isn't just a truck, it's a rolling cathedral of torque. The payload rating, a jaw-dropping 400 short tons, right up there with the Caterpillar and Komatsu. But the T282C's claim to fame is efficiency. Operators brag that this truck uses less fuel per ton than almost anything else in its class. In the mining industry, that's not just impressive, it's money in the bank. When you're hauling billions of dollars in rock and ore, shaving off fuel costs is no small matter. Standing beside the T282C, you quickly realize you're in the presence of something absurdly large. Its wheels stretch nearly 4 meters tall, and the sheer width of the truck makes pickup trucks look like Hot Wheels. Climbing into the cab requires the kind of determination most people save for mountain hikes. One miner joked that if you dropped your phone in the engine bay, you might never find it again. It's basically a steel jungle in there. Yet for all that raw size and strength, the T282C is surprisingly smooth. Drivers often say it feels stable and predictable, like it knows exactly how much it can handle. And considering it's been working non-stop in some of the harshest mines around the world, it's clear the T282C isn't just a truck. It's a German-built promise that power and efficiency can coexist. Bucyrus MT6300AC. Finally, we arrive at the Bucyrus MT6300AC, a truck so gigantic that even its name sounds like a military operation. Originally developed by Terex and later brought under Bucyrus before Caterpillar took it into their lineup, this beast was built for one job: move insane amounts of material. No questions asked. Under the hood sits a colossal 3,750 horsepower diesel engine, driving electric traction motors that make sure every ounce of power goes into hauling payloads of around 400 short tons. In the world of mining, the MT6300AC is like the quiet workhorse that doesn't need a flashy reputation. It just gets the job done day after day. Operators often describe the cab as less like sitting in a truck and more like sitting in a small office with a windshield. You climb several stories just to reach the driver's seat, and once you're up there, you're looking down at bulldozers as if they were toys scattered on the ground. One amusing story floating around is that new drivers often underestimate just how wide this truck is. More than a few mirrors have been lost when someone tried to squeeze through an area clearly not built for a vehicle the size of a house. And when you're dealing with tires that stand over 13 feet tall, it's safe to say this isn't a truck you take grocery shopping. Despite its monstrous size, the Bucyrus has a smoothness that surprises first-timers. With its electric drive system, it feels more controlled than you'd expect from something tipping the scales at nearly 1.4 million pounds when fully loaded. The MT6300AC may not be the loudest name outside the mining world, but inside it, this truck has legendary status. It's the kind of machine that proves brute strength and reliability are still king. And there you have it, the 5 strongest trucks on Earth, each one packing well over 1,000 horsepower improving that size and strength still rule the mining world. From the twin-engine BelAZ monster to the Caterpillar, Komatsu, Liebherr, and Bucyrus giants, these machines aren't just trucks, they're moving landmarks of human engineering. So which one blew your mind the most? Drop your answer in the comments, smash that like button if you love horsepower, and subscribe so you don't miss the next deep dive into the world's most incredible machines. Until then, keep it heavy and keep it rolling.